One plate doesn't look dirty today. In fact, the model that is already dirty to the bone. At first glance, the owner does not usually take care of the model. It's all these offset prints on the body of the car. Not to mention the tires and wheels. And all this rust? I'll put this tire hub later. Scrub it all clean. Redeem some APC now. 50 ml plus 500 milliliters of water. Then hit it into this watering can. Wait a minute to scrub the tire hub. Wet the tires again. You spray the APC on it. Add some foam pots. Mix it with some good car wash liquid and put it in. Let it fully dissolve. Then just take the tire brush and brush it hard. Ups guys, take a look at this dirt. Very dirty. I didn't blow. This tire hasn't been brushed in at least for years. After rinsing it off, take the wheel hub and brush the inside of the wheel hub. Spray on APC after rinsing, then brush the outside of the wheel hub. Don't worry, these wheels won't be rotten and painted. Now take out SG's S7 water quality automotive agent. Then put these. Remove all the stubborn iron powder. Then just brush it clean with a direct brush. Brothers, take a look. A comparison between before and after brushing? It's pretty obvious. The same is true for other wheels. After brushing the wheels, then take the S8 and trade the remover. Spray on these offset prints. Go back and forth directly to PA preview. The decomposition effect is actually very fast. Now there is an obvious reaction in the car. Now on 50 milliliters of ABC. Then put it in 500 milliliters of water. Back and forth preparation preview. Now the whole car is on APC. A PA ratio of APC to water is 1:10. Many riders wash their cars for this moment. I feel very decompressed. APP is rarely used for previewing except it will only be used if it encounters a particularly dirty model. Wait 2 minutes. We can charge from the bottom up with a water gun. There is an advantage to this that will not be said. Which point did the leak rush to before finding out? Like this hub lining, remember to flush it guys. And we're ready to wash. The ratio is still 1:10 mixed with water. A positive lotion for citrus. Then put Pi liquid on the whole car. Under the correct water mixing ratio, the foam made by the car washing machine of 009. It's very dense. And then there was a hint of orange. The taste of orange. It's very fragrant. Then brush these front bars with details. Shine and net these details. Then we took out the wool gloves. Just wipe the car. Remember to wipe the side first when wiping. Because of the side, his bubble will stay for a shorter time. So we first wipe the side first. Because of the bubble on the front, the stay time will be slightly longer. After this is washed, we will flush it with a high water tank. When flushing, remember to flush from the top down. This will improve our overall flushing efficiency. After we rinse, we take out the pigtails and towels. Just collect water in the whole car. Then deal with the rain marks on the body. A curing agent of G93 is used here. It has the function of decontamination astigmatism maintenance. Like after we wipe it clean with a towel, brothers, take a look at the comparison. The two sides are different colors. Then put another place. And here's how it works. Just wipe it hard. Then after wiping, dry it with a clean towel. Take a look at the comparison again. The paint shines instantly. Okay, so finally, just apply S6 to the tires. If you like it, please like it and follow it. Thank you. See you next time. Like and follow. Don't get lost.
Nice.